I bought a new tab from Acer. This is the new tab. It's 8" specification back here. It's Windows 8.1. We have software, we have Office for free, 1 year. 8" HD screen, 2 GB memory, and 32 GB for saving. We have 3G, and of course Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. Yes. So I pick it up today, and I bought this Acer keyboard. This is a Bluetooth keyboard. Yes. Okie dokie. So now we will see. Take off some plastic. Okay. We have to open here a little bit hard. Okay. Okay. It was extremely hard. This Iconia W4 setup guide. Yes, it's about yeah, desktop and user experience and blah blah blah. It looks like this. Wow. We have a camera back here on 5 megapixel. We have a front camera here, of course. I think it's 2 megapixel. That's the tab. Here is the loader. Yeah, we have micro HDMI, I think, micro, or micro USB, I think, for battery, and it's a guide, and here is Office. I get 1 year free Office. Okay, we look at this tab. Nice. Wow. Windows. I read about it, the battery capacity is fantastic on this. They say 10 hours. Acer. And we have for phones, speakers out there. We have yeah, here it's for sound. Cool. Okay, this is for uploading. Upload this battery. First I will do. This will be an unboxing. I will upload battery and make a new video when I test it. See here. Yes. This, we can use this. This one. Okay, it's ready to be loaded. That is the tab. And here is the Acer keyboard. Looks like this. See. This is cool. So here you can put it together because of magnets back here, so you can have it like this, and then something like this. Yes, cool. This is Bluetooth. Fantastic. Yes, this looks very nice. Acer. Okay, this is unboxing. Acer tab and Acer Bluetooth keyboard.